Qingdao Haifu Machinery Manufacture Company, Limited, well known as Haifu Machinery, is one of the biggest water jet loom and air jet loom suppliers in China. With an extensive experience in this loom industry, dating back to over 15 years ago, Haifu Machinery has prospered with its comprehensive sales, quality and service, achieving great supports from customers in the textile machinery fields because of their loom machinery solutions. Haifu today has never been bigger and stronger, with our all-new factory based in the city of Xi'an, China. The partnership with the Qingdao factory has made Haifu Machinery the total manufacturing and assembling facility space reaching an incredible 460,000 square feet. Both factories have a full capacity of CNC machinery, CNC vertical mill, CNC horizontal drilling machinery, quality control unit, in-house engineer, and painting line. Despite this, Haifu Machinery is making sure every part that goes into the machine is a Haifu self-made part. Thanks to the trust by our customers, starting from the year 2012, we have been sending almost 2,000 sets of water jet looms to India, 100 sets to Turkmenistan, 80 sets of air jet looms to Sri Lanka and many other countries across the world by OEM, let alone the 50,000 set sales record in China.